I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. I've spent 17 years as an apprentice and field tech before starting my own contracting business. I've seen these units in the dirt, not just on the brochure. Today we're looking at ducted split air conditioners. We've got two heavy hitters in the ring today. The ACiQ R585S and the Liberty GLXS4B. Both are basic category units, but let's see who's actually carrying the weight. First up, the bloodlines. In the red corner, ACiQ. The documentation tells us they've disrupted the market by offering contractor-grade gear manufactured by industry giant ICP, Carrier. In the blue corner, Liberty. They are a specialized brand under the Daikin Comfort Technologies umbrella. We're looking at Carrier DNA versus Daikin engineering right out of the gate. Let's look at the cage. The Liberty GLXS4B comes out as the heavyweight here with a louvered coil. That's real protection against hail and weed whackers. The ACiQ R5A5S, it's the underdog in this round. No louvered coil, just standard protection. If your area is prone to hailstorms or you are not paying attention when running the lawnmower, that Liberty armor matters. Under the hood, we're talking efficiency. The ACiQ is pushing a 14.3 SEER. It's respectable, but the Liberty GLXS4B edges it out with a 15.2 SEER. It's a slight advantage, but in a long fight against the summer heat, every bit of efficiency counts toward your electric bill. Where were these built? The ACiQ R5A5S is coming to us from Mexico. The Liberty GLXS4B is manufactured right here in the USA. For some of you, that domestic tag is the deciding factor before the first punch is even thrown. How quiet are they? The Liberty is slightly stealthier at 72 decibels, while the ACiQ hums a bit louder at 73 decibels. As for the compressor technology, both of these fighters are keeping it simple. Neither unit features a 2-speed compressor or variable speed technology. They are straight ahead, single stage machines. Can you get your hands on them? Both brands are playing by the rules here. For both the ACiQ and the Liberty, a dealer is required for the purchase. You aren't just clicking buy and sliding these into your trunk, you're going through a pro. Are you paying for the name or the build quality? Let me know in the comments. This one goes to the judges, and the scorecards are clear. With a higher SEER rating, a louvered coil for better protection, a quieter operation, and a USA manufacturing stamp, the Liberty GLXS4B takes the win by unanimous decision. ACiQ has the Carrier pedigree, but on the basic model, specs alone, Liberty brought more to the fight today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next battle.